Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can record a video in OBS Studio. So as you can see, currently I'm doing a screen recording with the help of OBS Studio, and my voice is also getting recorded with the help of OBS Studio. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can record a video or how you can record your screen. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to download the OBS, and after downloading the OBS, you have to install the OBS, and after that you will see the this interface like this. So as you can see here, they start streaming. If you want to start your streaming, so you have to click on this button, and so as you can see, I have started the recording, so that's why it's showing the stop recording. And if you want to stop the record, so you have to click on this, or if you want to start the record, you have to click on this button. And here's some other option like studio mode and settings. If you want to make changes in the settings, so you have to click on the setting, and you will see all the settings like the stream, output, audio, video, and all the settings are here. If you want to change them, you can also change them. Now after that, some other options are here like the file option. You will see the show recordings and the settings again. Edit, in the edit option, you will see some other details as well. So this is the OBS Studio. With the help of this software, you can record your videos or screen in a high quality, and it is very easy to use. So in this way you can do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can record your video with the help of OBS Studio. So see you guys in the next video.